Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with an unboxing for you. You know what I'm saying? So, what I noticed something different about this box with Nike, you know, when they send you a box, they don't put the name, you know, they don't put Nike and shit on the label, which that's not new to me. But what was intriguing to me, which kind of like for me, if you're gonna put a different company name on here as a sender, so you know people won't steal your box, cool. But on this box, they put a Nike check on it. So it's like, it's not a secret unless you just got Nike boxes and people just buy Nike boxes to ship shit. So yeah, that was a little strange. But let's get to it, man. This shoe came out Saturday. Highly requested shoe. They had another colorway, the Friends and Family pair that came out at Complex Con, and well, it didn't come out at Complex Con because people was fighting and losing their mind like 3-year-olds. So I guess they did another release for it. The other two colorways released on the Sneakers app, one released in skate shops. I got this off the Sneakers app Saturday, woke up in the morning, looked at the app, cooked, and there you go. So let's get to it. Yes, we have it. Pink box. You know what I'm saying? Nike SB Dunk Pro OG QS Quick Strike. You see what it is. So yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. Tiffany Dunks, man. Shout out to Nikki Diamonds. Shout out to Nike. Shout out to Diamond Supply. These are hard, man. Yeah. You know I gotta say it, man. These joints are hard. Hard. As you can see here along the toe box, it has that kind of like that croc skin. As you can see around here, the print, I was gonna say cock print. The croc print, as you can see around here, man. Of the back of the shoe as well. And then the check is detachable, so it has a Velcro. You could take the check off, and here on the back, this Velcro, boy, it's not Velcro. This just comes up. So take that off around here, and then it says Diamond on the back. And then you just have it with the blue, you know what I'm saying, the Tiffany blue. Me personally, if I'm being honest, I like it this color. Because the black with the silver is cool, but I just feel like it takes away from the actual Diamond Supply color, that Tiffany, you know, that blue. You just gotta have this blue, you know what I'm saying? And I think it took away from that if I leave this check on here. Or maybe I could play with the check and kind of drop it lower or something, do something different with it. I don't know yet. But it also comes with a pair of blue laces, the Tiffany, you know, emerald green lace. And those are the laces that I will be putting in these shoes. I will not be keeping these black laces. You got to put the Tiffany laces in here, man, just to set the shoe off. Retail was $100. I don't have the previous version of the Tiffany Dunks. I struck out a local store here. They were doing first come first serve, and little kids, man, they were lined up like Thursday for the shoe, and that just wasn't gonna happen. I'm not doing that. And in this store, they'll let you in, and they only have like 2 or 3 pair, because I lined up for the What the Dunks. They let 2 people in, and then said they were sold out. So like, I don't even go there for releases. They're dope people, pretty good people, no disrespect to them, but every time I go, it's only like 3 or 4 pair in the store. So I just don't waste my time going, especially if I'm not the first person there. There's just no use in going. But I was able to cop these off the Sneakers app. So shout out to the Sneakers app again, man. I'm gonna rock these. These are hard, man. I think I might go after the high top pair Tiffany Dunks. I do like those, so I think I'm gonna try to get those as well. But these are dope, man. The leather is pretty. It's a pretty hard, stiff leather. Or is it soft? Let's see. Take the shoe tree out. Yeah, it's stiff. It's a little hard, stiff leather. It's not really that soft, but I mean, it's cool. It's cool for you know, this shoe. It's $100, so you just really can't complain. But you know, the stories behind this shoe, and even on the Sneakers app, they had the mini documentary of the collab between Nike and Nicky Diamonds with the first Tiffany dunk, which is a pretty cool story. So if you want, you can go check that out as well. But I'm definitely putting these up, man. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna swap these laces out. Dope pickup. If you like the review, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page. And I'll probably have another release coming in Monday, but I might take y'all with me Friday if I get lucky on these Yeezys. I'll probably go pick mine up Friday if I get lucky. I say lucky because I did a size 14. I can't wear a 13. They hurt, even though I wear a 13 normally. At 13 hurt, I got to do a 14. So at some stores, you know, they don't really have a 14, but we'll see. Enough of all that. You like the review, hit the like button, subscribe to the page, and we'll get to it. Until the next release, y'all be cool, man.